Hey, thank you guys for joining me today. We're going to take care of this flower bed today. We're going to trim up that bottom area, clean it up, and leave the old mulch. I'm going to put cardboard on top of the old mulch and then put new mulch on top of the cardboard. It seemed to work pretty well on the other section of the flower bed that I had done in a previous video sometime around August of last year. So let's get into it. Now that's mainly the area that I want to take care of, is this middle section. That's the area that gives me the most problem. So not too worried about covering everything, but just these large areas. Hey, as always, thank you guys for joining me today. I do appreciate it. This is just a little activity to keep me from having to pull weeds and grass so much in this area of the flower bed, seeing as how this area that I did in August of last year did so well. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Have a good day.